Imagination Learning Station. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hi, my name is Eggsquizit. Get it? Eggsquizit? Welcome to my channel. We're going to be playing so many fun and educational quizzes. And each quiz, you're going to have to answer in 10 seconds. Think you can do it? I think so. First, can you subscribe to my channel? Also, turn on your notification bell so you can get all the updates and new posts. Let's get started. Which animal is bigger? Crocodile! You got it! Chomp, chomp, chomp. Which animal is smaller? Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. T-Rex! Also a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Which animal is bigger? A pig! You got it again. Which animal is smaller? A giraffe! Excellent job! Which animal is smaller? A shark! No. Which one is bigger? A crab! Clamp, clamp, clamp. Which one is smaller? Chicken! Which one is bigger? The cat! Awesome! Which one is smaller? A turtle! They have no teeth, but when they bite, ouch! Which one is bigger? A cow! Hey! Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know down in the comments how many times you spotted me in all the quizzes. Round them up. Thank you. Bye.